The opening to a Shining, a proper sidewinder. Sidewinder. This is.
What is one of them big lorries following you like in
Jewel.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's one of the classic films.
I love Jewel. Yeah.
Weaver, wasn't it?
Yeah, Dennis.
Yeah. Steven Spielberg's first film.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it was in the paper the other day.
You did?
Goodness me, look at this. Oh jeez, look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Look at it. I wonder if the camera's really appreciating just how far up we are. Ooh. Ooh. But this is actually making. This is actually quite disgusting. I don't like this. Oh, oh, Jesus. After a big windy drive, we are now in. Where are we?
It shows you over there, look.
What?
Middle door.
Mordor. We're in Mordor. That's what is that? A cafe?
Up in here.
Looks like they're open, they've got chairs.
Up in here. Oh, it's on camera! It's on camera! Oh my goodness! What an absolute fluke! It's on camera!
Do that fucking camera.
Try not to touch them.
Holy fuck! I didn't like it. Fuck! Jesus Christ, look at that. Look at that.
That's the road going down there. That's where we're going.
That's the road we just put up on. Bloody hell.
No, we'll go around.
Oh,
Down there.
it's the ocean. Can't see it, a bit foggy.
Whoa.
Oh. Oh. You've lost it now. Oh my goodness. Stand there and get a picture of you. Jesus. God, I had to get off there. Windy. If I stayed there any longer, I might have been sucked off. Here's the other side. Whoa, that's a bit calmer over here. More sedate. Bench. Look at this. I'm getting it all from here, don't worry about it. That's good. Oh, it's green hills.
On a clear day, you can see the other coast.
Right. It's alright. Some sort of tourist centre. I thought you said it's a cafe.
Well, it is. There is a cafe down there. This was one big restaurant with the downstairs. The builder's taken it over by the looks of it.
Huh.
So it's coming under local government now.
Okay. Look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Exactly.
Oh my. Look at this.
Yeah.
eh?
Shame I broke my ankle.
You actually hurt yourself? Is it an accurate depiction or is it just general sort of mountains?
This is the shape of this. Yeah,
Come
this is the
on,
mountain.
come and put Gulliver on this, or is it a picture of him on the island?
This is where we are.
Okay. Hang on, we're just doing Gulliver. Don't need that. Gulliver's on the island. He's a giant.